Alright, what's up people? So this isn't a rebuild episode. This is just an episode, not an episode, but a video. I'm gonna be unboxing the AIRLIFT basically. You see right here, I got the car starting to be torn down. And yeah, so I figured why not get more videos out of the expensive parts that I bought. So I'm gonna unbox the AIRLIFT and show you kind of what all comes in there. If you don't have, AIRLIFT or air suspension or anything like that, I'll unbox it and show you what all comes when you order it. That's just one box, but it's like it's gonna come in 4 boxes. I'll show you. Hopefully I'll try to keep this one kind of short, but yeah, let's do it. All right, box number 1. It's gonna be kind of elongated, like it's a pretty basic box. I opened it already, but I haven't taken anything out or looked at it. Okay, I can get it out of here. So basically, it's going to say AIRLIFT on the little front sticker, and basically, it's just pretty much going to say like what it is. It's 5-quart tank, 4 gallons. AIRLIFT air tank. Yeah, whatever. I got this one in raw aluminum. Got the tank in raw aluminum. I didn't want the polished version because essentially I plan on getting this powder coated. Don't know when or how much it's gonna cost, but I want to get this powder coated satin black. And yeah, oh, it's even got, you probably can't see this on the video, but it's got AIRLIFT performance engraved on the bottom of it, 200 PSI max. So yeah, air tank. First piece. All right, let me go grab the next box. This next box, I haven't opened it all, so I don't know what's in here, but I just assume that it's probably the struts, the actual bags, and it's probably the ones for the front, so yeah, but we'll see. What?
Wait a minute, you got some new boxes and I don't know nothing about this?
No, these ain't new.
Where did this box come from?
It came from downstairs. It was sitting down there the whole time.
I don't know nothing about these extra boxes now.
So yeah, I assume this is the front struts. Yep, first thing we see, installation guide, a couple of stickers, and yes, it is the front struts. You can see that. Well, it's some plastic. There's the lines. We forgot what these things are called. The little arms that attach to the front sway bar. I guess they're sway bar end links. I'll just pop one of them open so you can see. I don't plan on installing these just yet, but tomorrow Damon's gonna come over and he's gonna help me out. We plan on just installing the management. Since the car's apart, we're just gonna go ahead and start putting the management in, because that's pretty much the most annoying part. And then after that, we'll work on that, actual suspension, putting the bags and struts in, and the other suspension parts that I got. So yeah, back to the unboxing. As you can see, these are what do the business, the cool stuff, which is raise and lower the car. So I can't wait to get these installed on the car, boy. I've been waiting on this for a long time. Yeah, and the point to getting these was just basically to protect the pandem kit, because low life is not cool to me. Low sometimes is cool, but not all the time. But yeah, that's basically all that's in that box. Let me go grab the next one. Okay, so this is the box with the management. It's just pretty much gonna have enough stuff in it. It comes this box inside of this one. I opened it up already, but I haven't really looked and seen what's in here until now. So when you open it up, you're gonna get a bag with some hose. What is this? Yeah, air hose, a lot of fittings, and some Teflon tape. That's probably a pretty important little bag, so don't lose nothing out of there. Another one, some more little baggies. I do not know what this stuff is, so I'll have to look that up, but yeah, more little probably small stuff that's really important. You're gonna have your compressor. Basically, I think this is the 444 compressor. I'm pretty sure that's the 444. They have one smaller than this, and then they also have some in black. I wanted the black ones, but I don't know why I didn't get black. But I wanted black, but it wasn't an option on Bag Riders. That's where I bought it from. So I was like, screw it. I'm not gonna open my trunk for people to see at shows anyway. So that's the compressor. I'm pretty sure there's some fun stuff in here. Woo. Yep. This packaging is nice. Let's see. I assume this is all the wiring and controllers and stuff like that. This is all the stuff I'll be installing tomorrow. If you don't know, this is the 3P kit. There's also a 3H. I forgot the names of all the other ones, but this is the 3P kit, and it comes with a color display controller. More paperwork that I'm sure I don't need. We don't read instructions around here. Here's the controller, which is really nice. If you can see that lights up, has colors and all the different buttons. It lets you see your air pressures and all that stuff, and this is where you adjust all your presets from. And I believe this in the same box is the manifold. If I can get it open, it should be the manifold. There we go. Yep. This is basically where it controls where, you know, how much air goes where from the controller. So yeah, this thing is nice. I like the finish on it too. Satin black. It's not shiny, but it's not completely dull either. That's the kind of black I like. So yeah, I gotta figure out where I'm gonna want to mount this to. We'll figure that out tomorrow. And what is in here? This is the last thing in this box. Okay, some more wiring stuff and more screws and fittings. There's some, what is that, fuses? And a little hose cutter. Sorry, I know this video isn't really high quality, but this ain't unbox therapy. This is just a regular dude in regular garage. Never done an unboxing. Well, yeah, I have, but I'm not new. I don't do unboxing videos, so whatever. Next thing. This should be the last bit of the management if I can get it out. I believe this is probably going to be the wiring harness and nut, and probably the hose, the air hose. Where did my knife go? I don't know if I want to pull all this out, but that's all the air hose and the wiring harness. Very important that you install this stuff correctly so you don't set anything on fire. And then in the bottom, a couple more fittings, some little clamp, and what is this, a water? I don't know what this is. I don't even know what half this stuff is. We'll figure all that out tomorrow when we start installing it. Alright, one more box that comes with the whole AIRLIFT system. Let me go grab it. Okay, final box. You already know this is the rear struts. Also comes with an installation guide. Each one of these boxes, except for the tank, is going to have an installation guide basically for that specific stuff in that box. This one comes with a little wrench, more fittings, the little knobs where you adjust the dampeners on the struts, and there's the extensions for the strut dampeners. Also the air hoses for that. for these. And here are the struts themselves. It's nothing like unboxing brand new parts, right? These things are sick. So I'm going to do some research and make sure I know what I'm doing before I install this tomorrow. I've researched it before in the past, but it's kind of hazy. I don't really remember exactly what all the steps to go through, and I'm sure it's going to take a while. So management installation is tomorrow. That'll be like episode 2 of the rebuild series. And yeah, AIRLIFT going on the car finally. I can stop dragging my car over places I don't want to drag it over. So AIRLIFT is going to help with that. So I guess that's the end of this video. Like and subscribe if you want to follow the build or follow the rebuild series and all that good stuff. Follow my Instagram if you want to stay up to date and see, like, pretty much ahead of time before I even release the video on YouTube what I'm up to and what I'm doing or what stage I'm at in the process. That's the best place to kind of look at or check on my progress is Instagram. So yeah, I don't really use any other social media except that. So yeah, end of the video, and I will see you guys. I hesitate to say tomorrow because I don't know if I'm gonna drop a video back to back from today to the installation tomorrow, but I'll just say tomorrow. I'll try to do that this time. And so you'll get this video now, and then tomorrow will be episode 2 of a rebuild series. So yeah, see you guys next time. Tomorrow. And for all you YouTube commenters that keep commenting about the type of hammer I use when I'm working on a car,